Hi there, welcome to this presentation on composing a melody in a minor key for the Leaving Cert syllabus. The differences in a minor key. In a minor key, La is the keynote or tonic. The tonic chord is the La chord, therefore it is a minor chord and is denoted with a small number. In a minor key, we only use chords 1, 4, 5 and 6. Note the major and minor chords. 1 and 4 are minor, 5 and 6 are major. We don't use 2, 3 or 7 because they are diminished or augmented. In the harmonic minor, the seventh note, which is So, is raised with an accidental. And in the melodic minor, the sixth and seventh notes, Fa and So, are raised in the ascending form and lowered back in the descending form. It is important to be able to identify when a piece is in a minor key. Look at the given phrase. There are a number of things to watch out for. The first part of the melody will be harmonizable by the La chord, which is the tonic chord in a minor key. The So note in the given phrase, if it is present, will be raised by an accidental, and perhaps the Fa note as well. It is very important to recognize that a melody is in a minor key. So first of all, the composition is very similar to the method used in a major key piece. Work out the harmonic underpinning for the given phrase. Decide on modifications for the A1 and A2 phrases. Include a modulation to the relative major at the end of the A1 phrase. Use a sequence idea in the B phrase. And work out the correct chords for cadences at the phrase endings. Here's an example. This piece is in E minor. The reason we know it is because at the beginning we have the notes B, E, G and B with passing notes in between, and all of these notes fit the chord of E minor rather than G major. There is no So note, no D, therefore we have no accidental. The simplest harmonization for this phrase is as shown. An E minor chord to harmonize all of the first two bars, an A minor chord, which is chord 4, to harmonize the A's, and the B is an auxiliary note, another E minor chord for these two note quavers here, and a B chord for the F sharp, which gives us an imperfect cadence at the end of the phrase, 1 to 5. Once the chords are chosen, decide how to modify the phrase. Consider the suggestions on the next screen. Here's our original. Here is a suggested modification for the first two bars with an auxiliary note D sharp here, which is the note So with a raised sharp on it. A jump here up to high E rather than the auxiliary C that we had there. We have added notes, we have pitch change. Here's another suggestion which inverts the original. So instead of going from low upwards, we start high and come downwards, still using the chord of E minor underneath these first two bars. These modifications need apply only to the first two bars of the phrase, as shown. Modulating to the relative major. The modulation is even simpler than the modulation to the dominant. The method is still the same. The melody must go T-Do in the new key. There must be a perfect cadence, 5-1, under the melody as before. The approach chords in the harmony should be common to both keys. These would be the tonic, which is chord 1, the subdominant, which is chord 4, and the submediant, which is chord 6. As they approach chord 5 of the relative major, they will have the designation of that key. Therefore, 1 would become 6, in the new key, 4 would become 2 in the new key, and 6 would become 4 in the new key. Using a sequence, the approach is the same as in a major key piece. Identify an idea that is 1 bar long or half a bar in either 4/4 or 6/8 time, where the halfway point is easy to see. Adjust it to fit with chord 1, a minor chord, at the beginning of the phrase, and repeat it a step higher or lower in the same way as in the major key example. The Intervalus Diabolus. The tritone interval must be avoided when composing melodies in the minor key. This interval occurs between the 6th and raised 7th in the harmonic minor scale. To avoid it, either use the melodic or modal version of the minor scale between the dominant and upper tonic, or avoid moving from the 6th to the 7th degree of the minor scale in your melody. Good luck.